Today I want to tell you about one of chain grocery stores. What's mean азбука вкуса, or in English that mean is alphabet of tasting. So this chain of grocery consists more than 200 stores in which situated in the Moscow and St. Petersburg. The prices in this chain of store more expensive than in other grocery stores. So let's go and watch prices.
The store is very spacious. There are no crowds of people here. The store has many products of its own production. Here you can find a lot of goods. There are no other stores. For example, Fanta with a variety of flavors, drinks from the mixture are combined. Prices for these goods in Pyaterchka, Ashan may be higher here. You can make your own freshly squeezed juice. In general, a lot of things. The products here are fresh, really high quality, but sometimes the high price may be due to the fact that the goods were brought from the far away. I haven't seen this in other chains of stores. There are also receipt books near the products. I think it's very convenient for buyers and beneficial for sellers. It has its own cafe. Different types of fish and seafoods, olives, freezing and more. There are a lot of cheeses here. By the way, halloumi cheese is very rare to find somewhere. From the interesting, here I saw birch soup, various American snacks, and the most expensive product in this store is red caviar. So, thank you for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye!